Have you ever helped someone and they never said thank you? Have you ever given everything to people and they asked for more? Have you ever been so kind, so generous, so good that people started using you? There's a painful truth that kind people learn too late. Being good doesn't always protect you. Sometimes it destroys you. You say yes when you want to say no. You help when you're exhausted. You give until there's nothing left. And people, they don't respect your kindness. They exploit it. And the worst part? When you finally say no, when you finally set boundaries, they call you selfish, cold, mean. But what if I told you that being kind without being strategic is the most dangerous trap you can fall into? Today, I want to tell you a story about a man who was too kind, a man who gave everything until he had nothing left, and how he learned the shocking truth about goodness. If you've ever felt used, drained, or taken for granted, this story is for you.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a man named Ahmed. Ahmed was the kindest man in the village. He had a warm smile, a helping hand, and a heart that never said no. If someone needed help, Ahmed was there. If someone needed money, Ahmed gave it. If someone needed time, Ahmed spent hours listening. Everyone loved Ahmed, or so he thought. Ahmed is such a good man, they would say, always ready to help, always so generous. Ahmed felt proud. He believed his kindness made him valuable. He believed his goodness kept him safe. But deep inside, something felt wrong. He felt tired, drained, empty. Every night, he collapsed into bed exhausted, wondering, why do I feel so weak? One morning, Ahmed's neighbor, Ali, knocked on his door. Ahmed, I need help fixing my roof. Can you come today? Ahmed had planned to rest. His back ached from helping 3 other neighbors that week, but he looked at Ali's face and he couldn't say no. He spent the entire day on Ali's roof under the burning sun, his hands blistered, his body screaming for rest.
When he finished, Ali said, "Good job, Ahmed. Same time next week. I need the fence fixed too." No thank you, no offer to help Ahmed in return, just another request. That night, Ahmed lay in bed staring at the ceiling. His body ached, but his heart ached more. "Why don't they appreciate what I do?" he whispered. "Why do they keep asking for more?" Days later, Ahmed's friend Asif asked to borrow money. "Just 50 points, Asif said. "I'll pay you back next month, I promise." Ahmed had lent him money 3 times before. Asif never paid him back. Still, Ahmed gave him the money again. 2 months passed. Asif never mentioned it. When Ahmed finally asked, "Asif, about the money I lent you," Asif's face changed. "What? I thought we were friends, Ahmed. Friends don't keep track of these things." Ahmed felt a knife twist in his chest. He gave, and now he was the bad guy for asking. One evening, the village held a meeting about building a new well. When they discussed who would do the work, everyone turned toward Ahmed. "Ahmed will do it," someone said. "He's always willing to help." Everyone nodded. The decision was made. Ahmed would build the well alone. No one asked him. They just expected it.
Ahmed sat there silently, his heart heavy. He realized something painful. His kindness had become his prison. That night, an old merchant passed through the village. He saw Ahmed sitting alone by the river, looking broken. The merchant sat beside him and said, "You look like a man who gives everything and receives nothing." Ahmed looked up, surprised. "How did you know?" The merchant smiled sadly. "Because I see it in your eyes. You think being good means saying yes to everyone. But tell me, how do you feel?" "Exhausted, empty, used." The merchant nodded. "That's because you've been giving without wisdom. Kindness without strategy is not kindness, it's self-destruction." Ahmed frowned. "But isn't helping people the right thing to do?" "Yes," said the merchant, "but not all people deserve your help. not all requests deserve your yes. When you help everyone, your help becomes worthless. When you're always available, people stop valuing your time. When you never say no, people stop respecting your yes. Something cracked open inside Ahmed. So what should I do? Be kind, but be strategic. Help, but choose who. Give, but protect yourself. Your goodness is a gift. Don't waste it on people who don't appreciate it. The next morning, Ali knocked on Ahmed's door again. Ahmed, ready to fix my fence today? Ahmed took a deep breath. For the first time in his life, he said, "No." Ali blinked, shocked. "What? But you promised." "I'm tired," Ahmed replied calmly. "My body needs rest. You'll have to find someone else." Ali's face turned red. "I can't believe this." Ahmed stood firm. "I fixed your roof, your door, your garden fence. You never once helped me. You never once said thank you. You only asked for more." Ahmed closed the door gently. His hands were shaking, but for the first time he felt free. Days later, Asif asked to borrow money again. Ahmed looked at him calmly. "No." Asif's eyes widened. "What? Come on, Ahmed." "You've borrowed from me 3 times. You never paid me back. You even made me feel guilty for asking. I won't lend you money again." Asif's face turned red with anger. "You've changed, Ahmed. You're not the kind person you used to be." Ahmed smiled slightly. "You're right. I've changed. I'm no longer kind to people who don't respect my kindness." At the next village meeting, Ahmed stood up. "I've helped this village for years," he said, "but from now on, things will change. I will help, but not alone. I will give my time, but it must be respected. I will be kind, but only to those who value kindness." Weeks passed. Something strange happened. People who once used Ahmed began treating him differently. Ali nodded respectfully. Asif kept his distance. Villagers now offered help, money, and gratitude. One day, a young farmer named Shahir approached Ahmed. "I heard you're good at building. I need help with my barn, but I'll pay you and I'll help you too." Ahmed saw something rare in his eyes, respect. "All right," Ahmed said with a smile. "Let's work together." Months later, the old merchant returned. He found Ahmed by the river, stronger, peaceful. "You've changed," the merchant said. "I have," Ahmed replied. "I used to think being good meant giving everything to everyone. Now I know real goodness is strategic." "And how do you feel now?" the merchant asked. Ahmed looked at the sky. "I feel free. I'm still kind, but I'm no longer a victim of my own kindness."